Hi. Hi, now, baby. There's those bright blue eyes. Hi. Oh, who's so tiny? Who's so tiny? Who's only a week and a half old? You are. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There's your little brother. With Uncle Jay. His little brother.
Oh, the eye is trying to open up, so she's...
Mm.
No, we're gonna...
Oh.
What's that off?
Yeah, her eye looks like
Oh,
she's trying to open it, so...
What's that?
It's probably something.
Look, so tiny baby. Who's the tiny baby? Oh, you got me. Mm-hmm. You got me.
There's Mama Cat.
Mama Cat? Oh, what's that? What you doing with your mouth?
I was just lounging out.
Is his tongue hanging out?
You're sticking your tongue out at me. You don't even know your name yet. Or think of a